Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of registering with the Global Prime Broker via the TradingFinder website together. We enter the broker review page and then access the Global Prime Broker. We click on the Go to Website option, and the page related to the Global Prime Broker's site opens for us. We click on the Sign Up option. We complete the account opening details in this section. We enter the desired email that you haven't used to open an account before in this section, and we choose the desired password, which includes numbers, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and symbols. And then we click on the Sign Up option. Your account has been opened with the Global Prime Broker. In future videos, we will go through the process of verifying identity, authentication, and account verification with the Global Prime Broker together. Wishing you success and profitability.